His recent statement giving a clean chit to Narendra Modi in the 2002 riots case had sent political circles into a frenzy. Kamlesh Sutar caught up with Union Heavy Industries Minister Praful Patel in Gondia constituency to find out what role his party, the NCP, will play in the post-poll scenario.
Statements that came in from NCP leaders, it all started from your statement where you had said that nobody should be held guilty unless he is proven. So that was seen as a turning point, and it also affected the relationship of UPA at some point of time, and also created suspicion over the role of NCPA.
No, I don't think my statement should be read in the context which it's absolutely being read. You see, I was asked a question about 1984 and 2002 riots, and I said that, you see, we live in a country where we respect the judiciary. So at some stage, the judiciary, whatever it pronounces, we have to, take it as the final, whatever the judgment. The second part, what I said, which was not reported, is that one thing is the legal aspect, the other thing is perception. The perception of the people vis-a-vis Mr. Narendra Modi is very different. It is not as what the courts have so far ruled. Maybe in the absence of evidence or whatever reasons, they may have not been able to pinpoint anybody as guilty. But the fact is the perception is different.
You are one of the prominent leaders of UPA at the center. The numbers that have been given to UPA are not very good. Elections are now just, the next week we'll be facing elections. What do you have to say about the numbers that are given to UPA? And do you seriously believe that there's a BJP wave across the country?
No, I do feel that there is an issue in terms of absolute majority. Nobody is going to get it, including the so-called tom-tommed NDA victory. I do not think they will also be able to get anything more than 200, no matter what the poll predictions may be saying. These are all predictions, and you have until 13th of May till the last polling phase. So I have seen in many elections, including my own, where within a few days the entire election, temperament changes. So please let's not prejudge anything right now. All I can say is, yes, certainly UPA is not going to get majority, but the UPA and the Congress especially will have some decisive role. And we as NCP will certainly, I'm sure this time, increase our number, contrary to all the poll predictions. And I think we will be certainly having anything between 12 to 14 seats.
A lot has been talked about, read into Mr. Pawar's statement about realignment of forces after the election. What is it? What is the realignment of forces that you are looking into?
I think the government will have to be formed. A stable government will have to be formed. We don't know what kind of government it will be at this moment. We cannot say who will lead that government. So all these factors certainly lead to some uncertainty. And I think what Mr. Pawar says is that we as NCP will play a responsible role. I'm not saying we will lead or anything, please, because this is sometimes, a wrong canard which gets spread again. That, NCP behind the scenes want Mr. Pawar to be the Prime Minister and all that. This is all.
But that was the buzz last time.
But that is unfortunate because there is no substance to it. We are very clear that we are not having enough numbers to ever claim that position. But the fact is that NCP can play a decisive and an important role, and that we will.